right, WMC, this is the video to find the mini winners of the Watt Brothers Triple. So we'll check the time here, August 3rd at 7:03 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have August 3rd at 7:03 p.m. This is 2 spots, right? Okay. So these are our 10 entries. We are looking for the top 2 after the final roll will win spots in the main. First will get 4th, and second will get the remaining 2. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That'll work 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Looking for the top 2. Good luck. It is Jay and Jacob. So Jay, you get the first selection of 4 spots. Jake, you will get the other 2. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 3rd, 7:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.